welcome back to another hair video with the Sarah Squared.
Sarah Squared, I like that.
So today's special ingredient for our hair mask is Zizyphus.
I said it wrong, huh? Okay. I can't say it.
Zizyphus.
Zizyphus. I don't do French, okay?
Wait. Zizyphus.
Zizyphus.
Not Zizyphus, but Zizyphus.
Zizyphus. I can't do it. Can we say it my way?
I mean, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but I'm pretty sure it's Zizyphus.
Zizyphus.
Yeah,
Zizyphus.
Yeah, I mean, I probably should have looked up how to say it before starting this video, but you know, this is my first time using it. Sarah Ashley has used it before.
Not too many times though. I've never used it as like the main ingredient to a mask that I can remember.
So I will show them that we are using the Henna Souk Organic Zizyphus powder. And
it's hard to say, so you can also say seester. I don't know if that's right.
But so this says organic Zizyphus is the perfect Ayurvedic herb for healthy hair care to achieve fuller hair, strengthening the root and hair strands, leaves hair full of shine, and gently yet deeply cleanses. Here it says ideal for fine, limp hair. It's supposed to apparently make your hair look more thick.
Voluminous.
Yeah, voluminous and thick. And it's apparently very cleansing, so you can even use this to cleanse your hair. But since, you know, our hair tends to get dry, we are going to be adding in a few other things that will help add a little bit of moisture and hydration into it. So I guess we can share what else we're going to add into our mask. Okay. So we are going to add in 1 package each of the Zizyphus.
When you got long hair, it gets expensive, guys.
Yeah, so that's 100 grams each.
So we also are going to put in some fenugreek powder, and this is one of our favorite herbs.
All-time favorite. So again, we are using the Henna Souk Organic Fenugreek. Fenugreek is considered a natural hair loss preventing treatment because of its high percentage of phytoestrogens. This Ayurvedic herb prevents and controls hair loss, promotes hair growth, excellent moisturizing and conditioning agent thanks to its high level of mucilages. Anti-inflammatory, regulates the sebum production, gives volume and porosity to hair, and leaves hair shiny and silky. Basically, the most amazing herb in the world.
And then we also have the Ayurvedic hair oil, and I really like this because it has everything in one, and this is the only way that Sarah will apply henna to her hair because she's too scared of that color.
Oh, that has henna in it.
It does. It has just a small amount, but when henna is mixed with oil, it impedes the dye, so you're not going to get color.
My hair better not come out red.
But it is the first
But look at Sarah's hair though, how red it's getting from the henna. We gotta show them a close.
In the indoor light, it looks like really dark, but then when there's the sunlight, it looks all like red and coppery. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look, wait, get into the camera. Beep, beep, beep.
So you promised me that won't dye my hair?
I mean, we can always just see what happens.
Okay, you guys, you heard it here first. Sarah Ashley guarantees me that this won't dye my hair, and she promises to buy me a kombucha every day for the rest of my life if it does. And then we have our beautiful angel ingredient, the honey, raw honey. And this is a humectant, so it's going to draw moisture into our hair, and it also...
Get that all over your face.
It also tastes good. And then lastly, we are going to add in some aloe vera powder.
It's good for hydration and moisture.
All right, so we are going to go mix all this up in a big bowl with a little bit of warm water. And then we're going to let it sit for half hour.
Yeah, probably half hour is good.
So I've been working out a lot, and to test my strength right now, I'm going to be...
Oh shit.
Oh my god, you're so light.
Am I?
I can literally squat you.
Sarah, don't kill me.
how much can you squat? I'm like, I can squat a Sarah actually.
I can squat a Sarah. This is where we're mixing all our ingredients.
We can, at the end, we're gonna give Sarah a bowl cut. So I got the scissors here. This is what I would look like if I had short hair.
But it actually looks really good on you.
Ooh, yeah, like this side has like so
Oh
much
my
room.
gosh.
You guys, I'm cutting my hair. My hair looks kind of like red. Like
Yeah. I tricked her. I've been like putting henna on her hair at midnight.
Oh yes, sweetheart. Yes, queen. Hi, sweetie. Do you want to go to your mom?
Boy.
You want to go
He's a
to
good
your
boy.
mommy? Hi, darling boy.
He's such a good boy.
I've now turned into a cat person because of my little nephew here.
Yeah, cats are so easy. Oh my god.
Zara, look in the camera, baby.
Let's get you back to daddy where it's all calm and safe.
Bye, Zorro. I love you. I guess we can get mixing. Put the Zizyphus in the bowl, then mix it all up. Put the fenugreek in the bowl, then mix it all up. Put the honey in the bowl, and mix it all up. Put the oil in the bowl, and mix it all up. Put the aloe in the bowl, and mix it all up. I said, hey, doctor. Is that
I don't know.
Put the lime in the coconut and mix it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and mix it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and mix it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and mix it all up. I'm sorry guys if we're a bit too silly for you today. We are very sleep deprived.
Oh, look, I can kidnap her with her hair.
Let me go.
No, you can't. You have to show me all your hair secrets. Go on right now, tell me. I saw your diary.
When your hair's long enough to use as a scarf, a winter scarf.
That's like so crazy how like different color it is.
I know. Like compared to my roots, my ends are so light and brassy.
Oh, you took your bobby pin out!
I'm sorry. I just reached
Her hair reaches out and grabs her.
I'm sorry. Do you want to see what Sarah keeps in her closet? She likes to keep hair and then she dyes it with henna to test it. So this is her coworker's hair.
Well, people want to know if like certain herbs and stuff like dye their hair, and on mine I can't really tell that well because my hair's already kind of on the darker side. So then I get little blondies that donate the hair to me, and then I find out if it actually is gonna color
No,
it.
that's an amazing idea. This is our dinner tonight, Sarah.
Oh, I thought we were having tabbouleh. I'm scared. We'll let it sit for a half hour and come back. Oh, she just wants to eat it.
Okay, so we are changed and Sarah Ashley has wet her hair in the shower. And now it's time
So wet does mine.
the snakeable honors.
I always brush the bottoms first, guys.
We started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, all the way here.
It is 2:04
In the morning.
Yeah, 2:04.
We thought that it was like 10 p.m. and we looked and it's 2 in the morning.
It's like raining in here.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Let me put
Are we
on
just gonna
my-
go from the same bowl?
Oh!
Should we do that? I mean, it's
Yeah,
fun.
I guess we could.
Whoa, we were just gonna... I don't know if we should do that much at once. He's gonna fall on your forehead. Ooh. snake. Oh my gosh. You are the swamp queen.
Yeah.
Yes, queen. You're
Yes,
the swamp queen.
Yes, queen.
Yeah, I think like for your scalp, just like this. Massage. Massage. Wait, how do they do that? Everybody like all crazy. Just get it all in there. I don't know why I make all these weird sound effects. I think it's because like when I'm at the animal shelter, I do that a lot.
Look at this. There's more.
I know.
It's never ending.
Should we try again?
Yeah.
Ooh, don't pull your hair like what the heck.
I'm not even joking, you guys. This feels like it's 5 to 7 pounds.
It looks
It's so heavy, it hurts my neck. So,
wrap it up.
yeah, let's wrap it up on top.
Do you need a clip?
I think it should be okay without a clip. I'll just kind of...
Gotta make it go lower if you can. You can see mine too. See?
Okay. Take this off. Yes, we have quite a bit left, so we can use that for another time. I'm actually going to put a couple of these on. Now we are going to go throw on our thermal hair caps. These are the Thermal Vibes one. Sarah Ashley bought us them from Etsy, and they're really cool because they have a, you can take out, they just have flax on the inside. You put it in the microwave, warm it up, and you have a heat cap. But with these ones, you can actually take out the inside flax, so you can clean.
Yeah, to clean your hat really good. Right. Let's get waiting.
So now we're just gonna let this sit on our hair for about half an hour, and then we will rinse it off and see our results.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay guys, we are back with our results. What do you think? So yeah, we really liked the mask. For me, it's like whenever I do a mask with powders in it, it always takes a couple washes, like at least 1 or 2 washes before I see the true results, because there's always a bit of powder residue. It's just kind of hard to get stuff out of my hair. So as for the results of the hair, our hair feels pretty nice. And
I feel like it's, do you feel like it's voluminous to you?
Yeah.
Like it's more like...
Yeah, it's got some more volume, and there was definitely an increase of shine, especially in your hair. Yeah, her hair was like sparkling.
Yeah, I think it still looks pretty sparkly. It's like, maybe we'll have to show in the light, but it's like each strand has like all these like little like like sparkles. So Sarah is Goldilocks and I'm just bronze over here. Bronzy Ariel.
Yeah. I keep doing this with my hair. I don't know why. It just feels good.
It's fun.
This is what Sarah would look like with my hair
Oh,
color.
yeah. Ooh, okay, maybe blonde is my color. I don't know. Do you think it washes me out?
Oh, I actually kind of like it.
Here, hold on. But it looks like I have a Karen cut. Hold on.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, your hair looks really blonde on me.
Let's try your hair on me.
Dude, you look super edgy.
Yeah.
Wait, try to put the rest of your mane back.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Sarah's debating on cutting her hair this short. Oh, there's a really scratch in the wind.
Oh, what's he doing?
Sarah!
Look who's here. We got a little baby who's come to say hello.
That's the kitty cat.
He always goes, ow.
His eyes are so pretty, guys. I wish I had eyes like this.
Show your eyes, baby. Wow.
Sarah! Sarah! Oh.
All right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had so much fun making it. And we love you so much. I will put both of our Instagram handles down below, as well as Sarah Ashley's YouTube channel. And we will see you next time. Bye.